Ninja Woodfire buttons not responding? Try this reset. If the buttons on your Ninja Woodfire aren't responding, or the screen is on but pressing functions does nothing, here's how to fix it. Step 1. Unplug the unit completely. Leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. This resets the control board and clears minor software glitches. Step 2. Wipe down the control panel with a microfiber cloth. Grease dust or moisture buildup can block the buttons from working. Use a clean microfiber cloth to gently wipe the entire panel, especially around the edges. Step 3. Press each button slowly and firmly. Quick taps or repeated presses might not register. Try one button at a time with steady pressure. Step 4. Make sure everything is in place. The grill won't respond unless the lid is fully latched and the components are properly inserted. Check that everything clicks into position before restarting. If the panel is still unresponsive after all that, the issue could be internal. There's a link to Ninja's support in the description below. If this got your buttons working again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for fast appliance tips that actually work. And if you want to keep your control panel clean without damage, we've linked a microfiber cloth set in the description that's perfect for this kind of cleanup. Thanks for watching, and grill smooth!